Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. So guys, today I'm explain how to join MidJourney AI image generator. So now click on browser and I'm search midjourney.com. So now you scroll down and click sign in and midjourney.com out here under and pick up your gmail.com or discord.com. So log in with Discord. So guys, now waiting for response. So guys, now gmail to drive.com. okay, and now I have already Discord account. Just click sign in and wait. Are you human? Because each captcha here I'm solve the captcha and email or phone number, login location dedicated. Please check your email address. Okay, I am just open email. So guys, this is the email address and AkashFF. So just click verify login and Discord authentication verify complete. So IP address authorize, click login. So guys, then click login and now complete login with Discord and just now midjourney.com and terms condition, please agree. Username recommended you, okay, just AkashFF, this username enable. So just I'm click number 1 and this is available username. So click update. Okay, wait for human. So guys, now ready, login successful and I'm back MidJourney and this is the options. So I'm just close this tab and login again because now automatically login my Discord because I am this tab Discord login already. So just waiting. So guys, now showing the MidJourney apps. So I'm just click authorize and login automatically. So guys, this is the MidJourney official and / account. So purchase of subscription, billing yearly or month. So guys, now I don't need upgrade, I'm just using free. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, so please subscribe our channel. Goodbye.